Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Lochness Monster in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know here that we need to catch the Lochness Monster to complete the Diamond Researcher quest and to get the Diamond Rod. Okay, right here you need to bring Larry a Lochness Monster. And if you want to catch this fish guys, you need to go to the Kohana Island because this is a secret fish from Kohana Island. You need to go to the Kohana Island first with your boat, and then I'm going to show you the best spot to catch the Lochness Monster. So I would like to recommend you to fish here guys, nearby the waterfall, but actually you can fish anywhere as long as it's still on the Kohana Island, but I would like to recommend you to fish here, okay, and use the best rod that you have, but the minimum rod is the astral rod, and of course it will be better after the enchanting. Thank you guys, and that's how you can catch the Lochness Monster to complete the Diamond Researcher quest in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.